Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'll be growing Cress Microgreens. Cress Microgreens are actually pretty cool. When you soak them in water, they turn into like a gel-like substance, which is pretty cool to see. So without any further ado, let's get started.
This video contains detailed information about how to grow Cress microgreens. I also made a video on top 5 microgreens you must grow. Check it out if you haven't already. First, start with some cress seeds. Cress seeds are very small in size as compared to other microgreen seeds. Add the cress seeds to a jar and then add water to soak the seeds for 24 hours. I usually use a 10 by 20 flat to grow my microgreens. However, for this video as an example, I am using a smaller container you get when you buy mushrooms. The growing medium I use to grow my microgreens is coconut coir. Coconut coir is free of pests and bugs and also retains moisture very well. Pre-moisten the growing medium to avoid any expansion or contraction after planting. Cress seeds will develop a gel-like medium after soaking, similar to chia seeds. Transfer the cress seeds from the jar to the container, including any gel or water from the jar. Do not top the seeds with soil or black out the seeds. There is no need to weigh down the cress seeds either. After 2 days, the cress seeds will develop shoots. The shoots are yellow, but soon they will turn green. Keep watering every other day with a spray bottle. After another 2 days, the shoots are about an inch tall. The container is growing very evenly and smooth. There is no mold in this container because of coconut coir that retains moisture and absorbs any extra water and in turn prevents mold from growing. Place the container near an airflow or a draft from AC or heat vent. Proper airflow prevents mold as well. After another 2 days, the shoots are about 2 inches tall and ready to harvest. If left to grow any further, the delicate shoots will topple over and start falling. Harvest the shoots with scissors or knife. Look at these beautiful shoots. I'm going to add these Cress microgreens directly to my sandwich. You can add these shoots to almost any dish.
I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in another video.